Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be talking about greater than and less than. We're going to be comparing two numbers and saying whether or not the first one is less than or greater than. And later on you will also read a word problem in activities and solve that problem by determining which number is greater. Okay, so let's start with some easy ones. Let's try with the numbers 5 and 6. And let's talk about cookies because I love cookies. So I'm going to show the number 5 with 5 cubes, 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to show the number 6 with 6 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I know 6 is greater because there are more cubes on this side than there are on this side. So 5 is less than 6. So I'm going to use this symbol to show that. And another trick for you to remember is that you can envision this symbol as an alligator's mouth. And the alligator is always hungry, so it wants to eat more cookies. So it's always facing the larger number. So in this case, 6 is greater. The alligator, you can put a little eye here, wants to eat the 6 cookies rather than the 5 cookies because 6 is more than 5. So the mouth is facing the 6. Okay, let's try another. Let's try these two numbers. Okay, 32 and 25. So we need to say whether 32 is less than 25 or 32 is greater than 25. So now we have two digits. We have to look all the way at the furthest left place value to decide which number is greater. So let's start here. Okay, the 3 is in the tens place. So I need 3 tens, 10, 20, 30 to show the 3 in the tens and 2 ones. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. Okay, there's my 32. Now I need to make 25. I'm looking at the tens first. 2 tens, that equals 20. 10, 20, and there are 5 ones, so I need 5 ones. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now when I look at these two numbers, I notice I'm going to start on the left side, right? The furthest the furthest place value on the left, and that's the tens. So which number has the most tens? That would be this one. There are 3 tens here and only 2 tens here, which means 32 is greater than 25. So I'm going to use this symbol because the mouth wants to eat the larger number. And here we're talking about jelly beans. There are 32 jelly beans and 25 jelly beans. The alligator is going to want to eat the 32 because there's more. So 32 is greater than 25. All right, let's try one more. And we're going to get some big numbers in here. We're going to go with the hundreds. All right. So our first number is 362. So we have 362 M&Ms. Yum. And we also have another bag that has 298 M&Ms. Which number is greater? So let's make these numbers to find out. Okay, we need to find out, is 362 less than 298, or is this number greater than this number? So let's make it. We're going to start on the place value all the way to the left. There are 3 in the hundreds place. So I need 3 hundreds, 100, 200, 300. There are 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 2 ones. 100, 200, 300, 310, 320, 340, 330, 340, 350, 360, 361, 362. 2 ones. Okay. Next, we need to make the number 298. So I need 2 hundreds, because there's a 2 in the hundreds place, and I need 9 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Grab a couple more here. 8, 9. So we have 2 hundreds, 9 tens, and 8 ones. So we have 8 ones right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 100, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 291, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 298. Now I'm going to look at the hundreds place to see which number is larger. And I know that 3 is larger than 2. I've got 3 hundreds here and only 2 hundreds here. So that means 362 is greater than 298. Even though there are 9 tens and 8 ones, and those numbers are bigger than 6 and 2, that doesn't matter, because what matters is the last place value on the left is what counts in this case, because that's the largest place value, the hundreds. So 362 is greater than, I'm going to use this symbol, than 298. That alligator wants to eat 362 M&Ms rather than 298. He's really hungry. So we would read that again as 362 is greater than 298. Today you're going to read a word problem that asks you to compare 2 numbers. I want you to use the less than or greater than sign to compare those numbers. And if you need to, you can draw in some teeth to help you solve. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.